Upper body balancing is a therapeutic practice designed to restore harmony, alignment, and ease across the neck, shoulders, chest, arms, and upper back. This session focuses on gently releasing tension that builds from poor posture, repetitive movements, stress, and long hours of sitting or screen use. Through a combination of mindful pressure, slow rhythmic strokes, and guided breathing, upper body balancing helps recalibrate muscle tone and improve circulation while soothing the nervous system. As tight areas soften, the shoulders naturally drop, the chest opens, and the spine feels more supported and upright. This balance encourages better posture, freer movement, and reduced strain in daily activities. Beyond physical relief, the treatment promotes mental clarity and emotional grounding, helping you feel centered and refreshed. Ideal for those experiencing stiffness, fatigue, or stress-related discomfort, upper body balancing creates a sense of lightness and stability, allowing energy to flow smoothly and the body to move with greater comfort and confidence.